Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline i96 on this lovely 2019 Mercedes GLE AMG. How the system works, if someone was to clone this key here, jump in, try and start it, this is what would happen. Put your foot on the brake, try and start it, see the vehicle won't start. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, he has to go through a push sequence. So basically, ignition on, main ignition on, go through your push sequence, disarm. So here we've done something simple. So 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, start your vehicle. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. When he takes the car for a service and he doesn't want to disclose the code, the way he would do that is ignition on, go through his disarm push sequence. So 1, 2, 3, receive his melody. There you go, and then go hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times and cycle the ignition. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, pause, key back on. Sorry, done that too quickly, so let's do it again. So we've got our disarm, so we go 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, pause, key back on. See, we've got 2 bleeps. So now this is just a normal car. So you can start it as many times as you want, moves it around, doesn't have to disclose the code. When he gets the vehicle back, ignition on, insert his push sequence. Got 2 bleeps. This is now protected again. If the customer wants to change the code, this is also straightforward. So ignition on. Obviously we've got to disarm because we didn't leave it long enough. And all you do now is once it's disarmed, hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off, pause for a second, turn it back on. And we get 5 bleeps. So now we're now ready to learn. So any button that's on the network we can use will give us a bleep, but we're just going to use this one for now. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody. Repeat again. If it's the same code as the first, it will give us the same melody and it will be learnt. There you go. That's now learnt. So if we leave it about 10 seconds and we'll try the new code. Also, while we're waiting, you can pair it up to a Starline key app. You pair it up onto it and it will act like an authorization. So once it's paired up, you just jump in, ignition on, hear your melody and start. Really clever. And when you want to put it in valid mode, you just go into the app, put your finger on the key, let it go from green to red to amber. Release. When it's amber, you get 2 bleeps. When you get it back, do exactly the same until it goes back to green. You get 2 double bleeps and it'll be out of valid mode. So now let's just try the new code. So ignition on, main ignition on, new code 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody. There you go. Start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478, or you can call me direct on 07973 815 886. 07973 815 886. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.